Alright, so I bought the pedal commander that I'm about to install, and I had to take some of this apart a little early because it's kind of difficult. But so I got a 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 8 with the Hemi. So I took the pedal out, I took it down ahead of time. So there's a drive-by-wire system. So this is a male connector. So what they want you to do is they give you these two connectors. So that male is going to go into the pedal assembly, and then this one is going to go to the one that's showing male to female here. So I'm going to put that in. Also, to get that out, I had to take out two 10mm bolts, one there and one at the top at the opposite side. It was a little high up there, so I also had to take off the cover. I had to take off this panel to get to it. There's like Phillips head, two Phillips head that slides right out of there. That sits up there. This little box right here is my Bluetooth. So when I use Torque, my Torque app, that's what that's in there for. It's in my OBD2 port. It comes with alcohol pad. I'm not gonna use this. This just let you know that it's in there. But that's like letting the dealer or anybody know that you have it. My truck's paid off, so I don't have that problem. But if you have warranty, you don't want. I don't think you want them. I heard that they won't detect it or anything, but mechanics are pretty smart. They know all these little gadgets, especially if they have to diagnose the problem. This little thing's a monitor, a keypad. You can put this anywhere. I don't know where I want it. Sometimes you want to see it because it has lights on it, so you know what mode you're in. I don't want it like, I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. I don't know. I may even put it here. I don't know. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna probably have a test on another video because I'm using my cell phone, so all that pause and add together, I don't know how to do that yet, but we'll see. But I want to demonstrate it. The truck's already fast. It's pretty much stock, but it's a quick takeoff to me. But it is supposed to get rid of some lag in the gas pedal. It doesn't give you any horsepower, but it gives you pedal response. So that's why I'm doing it. So I'm gonna get that back in there. So one plug and play. It's all plug and play. It's nothing hard. And we'll see what happens. So I'm having a hard time figuring out where I want to put it. I got it all hooked up. Got the pedal back up. I just gotta put the panel up, but I don't know where I want this stupid thing. I don't like it there. That was one of my options, but I don't want it there. I'm really thinking about right here. I don't know. I don't want it nowhere around that thing. Don't want it up there. And it's just stupid. But I want to probably, I don't know. I want to hang it somewhere because I want to take it and test it out. So, alright, let's see. What I want to do. Alright, I decided to go there because I like to see my gauges or stuff that's going on. I want to know without having to look, get out the car and look for it. So I put the pedal commander there. I have to live with the cable being like that though. I'll get used to it, but everything else is put the panel back up and stuff, so it's tucked in there pretty good. Alright, I'm going to try to test this thing out now. Alright, so right now I'm in sport. I'm in sport, and I'm on level 3, and this thing is like unbelievably touchy now. Like, I'm not even used to the gas pedal anymore. That's freaking crazy. But like, as soon as I touch the gas, it's like ready. So I see what everybody's talking about. All-wheel drive, and this thing is like it's like I can hear it. Oh yeah, that's freaking crazy. Wow. I don't know if being that responsive should change your 0 to 60 time. Because as soon as you hit it, just go. Like, so, in that aspect, it should give you a little bit of get off the, get up and go. But I mean, it's touchy as hell. I'm not even, I like to shift. And I haven't even, like, I just got out of my street. I like it, but I would turn it down for like regular driving or something. I'm just not used to that. As soon as I touch the pedal, it's ready. And like it jerks me back. I was like, what the hell? I like to shift, so I'm gonna put it in. I'm in second gear right now. Slow down the first gear real quick. There's nobody behind me. Alright, here we go. Oh, wow. That makes a difference. I couldn't even hold the camera. I'm sorry about the camera. But, wow. That's crazy. I like that. It's worth, I paid, it's like a $300 product, but I'll tell you, it makes a difference. I just don't like how touchy it is now. I would turn down my sensitivity on that thing. I would probably go to like, I don't know, I would probably stay in sport, but I'd go to like a 1. Number 1 in sport, something like that. I can't even hold a freaking camera. It's so touchy now. I wonder if it's too early in the day for me to do a takeoff, but I'll probably do another video with me launching this. Probably have to be at night when I'm less people around. But yeah, it definitely makes a difference. Things real touchy. I'm in first gear. Sorry. Wow. No. Whoa, Nelly. Oh. Wow. All I can say is wow. It worked. It's worth it. I should have put this in. I had this thing for like almost a month and a half. It's sitting in a box. I should have had this thing in a while ago. Wow. Alright. I'm done.